So Noah, can you tell me about Benigno Aquino?
Okay. Benigno Aquino was a kid. He loved to explore his neighborhood, and he would always have the latest news. And he would tell his parents everything that's going on around the neighborhood. And his father told his wife that he would probably become a news reporter when he grows up. A reporter. Because he's reporting everything now. And one day, when he was growing up, his father was his grandfather, was in the war. Was able to face the Japanese and the Americans. His grandfather was a soldier, and he experienced both wars. And his father sadly went to jail because he made an announcement, and I'm not sure, but I think it says in the book that that father was put to jail because he talked to the Spanish. So because he doesn't want them to interact with the Spanish. So his father went to jail. What was even more shocking was that his father suddenly had a heart attack and passed away. But soon after his father's passing, he became a news reporter, just like how his father predicted. And soon enough, he was reporting many things, and he was even able to meet the president at that time, and he would interview the president all the time. He'd be the one interviewing. And there was this anti-Japanese group that the president didn't like. So he sent him to talk to the leader. So after that, he actually was able to get him out of hiding, the leader of the group, of the anti-Japanese group. So they put him to jail, the anti-Japanese leader. But sadly, he felt betrayed because the president didn't give him any reward or anything. And that's all I have to narrate for today.